Hello, hi, namaskara. I'm Rishabh and today we are traveling back to Bangalore and we are here in Gokarna. It's gonna take around 9 to 10 hours depending on the traffic. Time is now 9:24. Let's get started. And before we start, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. You got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Now let me tell you a bit about the route and how is the conditions that we have covered so far. So when we start from Gokarna, at first the roads are single lane, not in very good condition, but it's kind of okay. After that, in between, actually it becomes kind of double lane and still construction is going on now. But it looks like it's gonna be at least 4-lane highway, so this stretch is gonna be really good. After that, we took the left that you saw, and from here actually it's kind of ghat roads in between, and at the start the road was not that good. Later on it becomes good, again it becomes bad, so it's not very consistent. But yeah, that's how the road has been so far. And we have also come across few checkposts, police checkposts, and now we are again on the way to Bengaluru. So see you again at next pit stop. And if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Also follow me on Instagram at @rcmediahouse. I'm also on Twitter at @rcmediahouse. And if you are on Facebook, you can like my Facebook page, that is YouTuber Rishabh Chatterjee. Let's continue the video.
If you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you who still believes, don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home. 'Cause when it's you, my heart feels it too. Hold on, I'm coming through. Just call, just call, just call. All you ever need to do is, when all you need is a friend. No, I won't ever hear excuses. We're in this till the end. Sometimes I felt like I might need someone to remind me who still believed it didn't matter you were far from home. 'Cause you were never really far from home. So if you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you who still believes, don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home. 'Cause when it's you, my heart feels it too. Hold on, I'm coming through. Just call, just call, just call.
this is where our part 1 of the Gokarna to Bengaluru journey gets over. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, also subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned to see the part 2. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to check out my channel Rishabh Chatterjee. You can find many more road trip videos, and follow me on Instagram at @rcmediahouse, Facebook, YouTube Rishabh Chatterjee, and I'm also on Twitter at @rcmediahouse. That's it for today. Like, share, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.